What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you the first ATV I kind of got going. So it's just a 50 212 I put on there. Works pretty good, but it needs a new air filter. I'm gonna do that today. Little other things I have to finish up. Let's take a look. Here we go. Just hitting the body right in here. Gotta cut a little bit of this out so the clutch cover can sit nicely and rest. Don't make no noise. And then this one, I gotta cut all this out of there. There's just too much motor just covered a bit in, sit in there. But okay, now that I got all the body, everything off, down to the carburetor, let's go ahead and see what goodies we have. So I got a big old shipment here. Got one of this one from OMB warehouse. Let's see what we got here. I already opened one of them. See what was in there. Got two more of them. You know, there's the part number. All right, I got some torque converters, chain, clutch, some other goodies down in there. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, looks like I got to get the stud out because I non-Hemi. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. One is definitely shorter than the other. If anybody's asking which one to do, it's the short one. All right. There it is. 2 nylon nuts, gasket, just air filter. Here it is with the body back on. The new air filter kit adapter. Looks pretty good. Haven't started up and ran it yet. I'm not too worried about it. Someone said you got to jet the carb, and we'll see how it goes. And there's a vent that comes off there. I just hooked the vent hose to the crank, the valve cover breather, and it comes off over down under here. Can't see it barely, just the tip of it maybe. Oh, it's down there. But the body still hits right here on that. So I don't know if I could cut the metal plate or pound it or bend it, because I don't want to cut the body. I'd rather leave the body in nice shape and pound whatever I need to on the motor. We'll see how it goes. Here's what I got so far. So I kind of free balled all my cuts just to make sure I had enough room. Still got room to put your foot. Little gap right here, just because the motor's so much bigger than the stock one. And then back here, it's pretty close. It's almost there. Almost lines up. This is pretty good, I guess. Even though it's broken. I didn't know it was broken when I got it. But let's check out this side. This side looks good. So they're all broke, so I gotta figure something out. Broken. Broken. That's the only good one, I guess. Broken. Broken. So, but there we go. Air filter looks really good. Sorry, it's really hot out here. I need to get me something to drink. I had to cut some of this metal tab right here. Actually, I cut a lot of it. It was really close, so I didn't mess any of the linkage up. But with the body off there, I cut this tab off this way and that big chunk going over there. And then I tried to take this screw and nut off there, but you know, I didn't want to take too much off the engine, just in case for the warranty. But I gotta figure something out. That's it for now. All right. All that stuff that I cut for the footwells, it's not gonna work. I don't like the way it looks. So I found some of this laying around. It's rebar. It's all hot. Try to bend some of it right now. It's too hot. I'm going inside. I'm done. But I'm gonna put these right there for extra. So if your foot slips, you have something to catch. Got one of those built for both sides. Air filter looks good though. I think I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. Just get more leg room. Looks pretty good though. All right, Well, since this was my first one that I started, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the other stuff I got to build. So let's take a look. Picked up this little mini bike, 49 2-stroke. Pull start broke, so I gotta fix that. I spent like 3 hours trying to fix it the other day, and it was a nightmare. But I just got this one like yesterday or the day before. And then I got these other ones over here. Hold on. So you seen Frankenstein? So here's another go-kart. Let me put the Frankenstein body over here. All right. So this one's a Pathfinder 2-seater. I don't know if you could read it. It's Pathfinder. I don't know. It's all right. Came with a motor. Junked it. I'm getting a whole bunch of new stuff coming. I like this one. I like this little go-kart. Number 4. And I got these 3 little bad boys. I guess Three's Company, I guess. 2 blue, a red. These are 2-stroke, I believe. Right there on the fuel tank. Oh yeah. I guess one of them runs and it rips. Guy's like bigger than 6 foot. Hauls ass on it, so I think I could junk one and make 2 run. Wait, here we go. I got one more. Got one more around the house. Hold on. My yerf-dog. I'm gonna do some more to this. Sorry it's in the shade, but the roll cage makes all kinds of noise. Moves everywhere. So I'm missing some bolts and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's missing a bolt right here. This one's all long. But I'm gonna go through and weld all that up so it's nice and sturdy. But just keep watching. There'll be some more stuff coming.